Good morning, you guys. My cat decided he wants to act a fool this morning. It's a vlog, of course. It's a vlog. It is, what time is it? I just ate. It is 7:46 in the morning. I did not go to sleep last night. I was up, I was tossing, I was turning, I could not get comfortable. I don't know what was going on. I took melatonin and that did not work. I honestly don't know how I'm going to make it through this day. On the agenda today, I have to go to IKEA. So I'll have, if they have everything that I need, then I'll do like a little IKEA haul in this vlog. I also have to go to Target. If they have what I need, it'll be an IKEA haul, Target haul. And wherever else I decide to go, I might go and get my eyebrows done. I might. Depends on how I feel when I get back up this way. Or when I get back around my house. But take a look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm in the car trying to decide where do I want to go first. Because IKEA is this way, and then like the mall and stuff is this way, I don't know where I want to go. Should I go this way first and then go this way? Should I go this way then come back up? Either way, I have to go past my house. Yeah, so even though I was just in the mall yesterday, I need to put lotion on my hands. Child. But here's the problem, right? The mall and IKEA don't open until 10. It is only 8:23. So, and the Target that I want to go to is like a 30-minute drive, I believe. Ouch. Can't get my phone out. Let me see. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got these two pillows to go on my bed, and yeah, they were $1.99. $1.99, and they're so cute. They're so cute. They match the theme of my room. I'm gonna make my bed and kind of like set it up to show y'all like how it's gonna look on my bed or whatever. And then I got these. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen. It's actually kind of heavy. It's a shelf. It's not a shelf. Nightstand. I got this nightstand. It's metal, so it matches my bed frame because my bed frame is metal. And I got these because I have this like little lamp here, but I don't really want it. So I got two of these. And then I'm gonna put them together and yeah, DIY key, you know. Oh, okay. So, my camera died while I was putting the nightstands together. So this is how they look. I just have my Apple Watch here. It is magnetic, so this sticks. My little like speaker, alarm clock, bamboo, this Gordo and Gordo Jr. This candle smells amazing. I got it from Target. It smells amazing. And then down here I just have my these are all notebooks. There's a planner, a journal, this is for business, and then this is just for like whatever. Right here. And then over here I have laptop, iPad, laptop, and a Febreze refreshing spray. And then the charger for my phone just dangling kind of like right here. But yeah, that is it. I have a water bottle on my bed, don't mind that. There's my phone. So yeah, that is that. I'm gonna hit y'all up tomorrow. So you haven't been on the vlog in a while. Who? You. Me? And myself. I haven't vlogged in a while.
Girl, it's
we're not having
never.
a part two. I tried to reenact that.
A reenactment.
Mm-hmm.
Sure was.
It's not something. They better be fucking over. I feel like they're not going to be. Let me speed a little. I'm sorry. I'm trying to make sure you just open. I see niggas and bitches. I'm like, they have to be open. When you see cars outside, I mean, something has to be open up this way. There's no way who is ever for fun.
Keep going to stop
Wait,
signs
so we're
and
just not gonna
everything.
eat? That was going
Get Amber. I'm just trying to run in here really quick. Can I park right here?
If I go in there, it's not gonna be
No, you
quick.
can't park right here.
Oh, and they open.
I like Kiyani without my glasses, but you're right here.
Alright,
That girl look
alright,
like you.
alright.
Oh, fuck you don't.
She really fucking did.
I don't have my glasses on, you dumb. Where's my glasses?
I'm right next to that car. It's in the wrong spot. Alright, let's get out, y'all, for
Hey,
their
yo, I lost my
clothes.
glasses.
Oh, what the fuck?
What time they close?
I don't know. That's the point.
don't know.
Close next.
That's the point about the invade. They
You oxymoron. I don't know what that is, but
I'm not even gonna
Look it up.
Ooh, that's a heavy dip, y'all.
Yes, it is.
Oh wait, I put my school.
Oh, wait, me too. Shit.
I'm trying to be cute.
I know. Look at the calendar.
We twerk on the can, love at first sight.
We're all just okay.
Oh wait, you know they call
What? So white lesbians want Willies? YouTubers, white lesbian YouTubers. So why does everyone have titles? They fucking my championship title. Like, everyone has titles out of nowhere.
That's high.
That's not high.
Someone's candy with this. She missed out with the
What the fuck is our feet?
I do know what you're talking about. I'm just trying to figure out why you. I'm just trying to figure out why you threw me in it.
You know about this too?
So now you don't wait. So now you don't want to claim your black title.
I had nothing to do with it though.
You know about the Willies?
I was listening.
So that means you're a Billy now.
Wait, but she's mixed. She might be a Millie bitch. Millie guy.
When the fuck did I become a lesbian? 2 seconds ago?
She's throwing you're throwing gender and sexual roles on motherfuckers just as bad as straight.
Okay, what's wrong with that?
You can't. So someone like Aaron, she's so hetero.
Then I was tight though.
You would never.
Don't
throw
try
it
to
in.
join me into your cult.
You definitely do have a friend.
A few moments later.
She is stuck on Band-Aid brand because germs don't stick on her.
Don't play too much.
What is you, a peeping Tom, bitch?
What is this, Thriller? That's what it looks.
Cause this is Thriller. Thriller night. Get in, wait, get on the other side. Cause this is.
The door is open.
Okay, reach my door.
Oh.
Close my door.
I hate y'all. I see how they do, man.
I think the last time I actually like picked up the camera was Sunday. I want to say Sunday. Monday. That was Monday. Yeah, Monday. So as you can see right now, I am doing my hair, putting some curls with the wand curler. Yes, I have shoe boxes over there. Yes, I have the wand curler on top of the shoe boxes. Don't judge me. So yeah, I should have started on this side first so you guys could see. Ooh, look at that arm. Ooh, baby girl. Ooh. Anyway, but yeah, y'all, you pretty much can tell what I'm doing. Maybe I'll turn this way. You know, in the shoebox. I'll put this right here so I can kind of turn. Oh, by the way, I'm using, ooh, hair on it. I'm using this Remington like little curling wand. I've had this for like 8 years. Still looks brand new, which is crazy. Alright, you guys, so hair's done. It's been done for a little bit. Ooh, what's that? I did go ahead and like take some that one piece. I did go ahead and like take some pictures or whatever. Maybe they'll show up right here. I don't know. That's if I like them. I'm about to edit them to see how they look or whatever. But I just feel like a brand new beach. Okay. This is Kiyani 2.0. Okay, sweetheart. Okay. So yeah. I'll be back later.